Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back. Well, this morning we're going to go ahead and pull orders because I'm going to see my mother-in-law at the hospital, Lonnie's mom.
Yep.
Yeah. She's doing just a quick update, and then we're going to get to it. She's doing really well, and they're thinking she's going to be moved to a rehab facility by the end of the week. So that's awesome.
Yeah. She'll be there a couple of weeks,
yeah.
and then she'll be able to go home. So, yeah, everything's going well. Candace is taking the morning shifts for now.
Yes.
I'm taking the afternoon shifts, and our older daughter, she fills in here and there if we have something else we got to do or whatever.
Right.
So
right.
we're in a we're not stressed out about it anymore.
Yeah.
So everything's good. Now we just got to try and fit our work into this thing again. Now work is going to start to take a higher priority than it has the past 10 days or so.
Right, we need to get some listings up.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get started. Today we are pulling from eBay and Mercari. So the first item is a Raising Cane's black visor. It's the black one on 10 Echo.
10 Echo?
Mm-hmm.
One Love?
Yep.
Okay.
$19.99.
Hey, our Raising Cane's thing is kind of working out. I mean,
yeah,
like,
especially the One Love logo. Those are good.
Slogo?
Did I say slogo?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Okay, Paca 148 Thundercracker replacement part. It's a left rudder.
Way over here. 148. Yep, this is it right here.
$19.99 for that.
Even the stuff we weren't able to, the G.I. Joe stuff we weren't, or no,
Transformers and G.I. Joe.
Yeah, that we weren't able to like make complete. Whenever Candace was able to list a ton of parts.
Some of them I sold incomplete. Some of them I'm like, it's better to just part it out.
Yeah.
Just a bit varied from piece to piece. Joe Drawer 3-piece set, the bear salt and pepper shakers with the fish. Joe Drawer.
Yeah, this was the coolest one in my opinion. I'm gonna have to be careful when man, this thing was flawless too, huh?
Yeah, it was in great condition.
Yeah, that is so cool. I like that one.
Actually, all of their pieces were. I think they bought them and put them up in that little china cabinet and never touched them again. Like the stickers are perfect on them and everything.
Yeah, Candace has them all. The other ones in there. I'm glad we bought those.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
They're cool little things.
They are.
$24.99 for those. And the Guy Drawer PS4 Star Wars Battlefront 2.
Okay, we go. And I'm very grateful to have these sales that we do have. Yeah. If you consider we have not been listing at all, hardly.
Right, like barely.
No, well, like we've listed. I know you listed this, but you listed a couple of things yesterday or something.
Yes. I think this afternoon I'll be able to definitely finish up those salt and pepper shakers and then get into some other stuff.
Yeah, so. I'm definitely going to get a few things listed today.
Yeah.
And yeah. We also had more air conditioner trouble yesterday. Yeah,
that kind of tied us up too.
That cut it, yeah. And I think
the problem should be solved now.
Yeah, I think
just in time because it's supposed to get up to like 100 today and 101 tomorrow.
Oh my gosh!
Just in time. Okay, so that sold for $8.99. That game, on the same order as a comic book.
Okay.
5 Alpha B76.
It's actually not, well, I know it says 5 Alpha, but I consolidated, here we go, one of these New Mutants. I consolidated all the comics, the single comics into this one box, and I just kind of know it. Yeah.
Yep. Like if I were having to pull orders without him, I would be like, okay, these are not on 5 Alpha.
I think you would figure it out.
I would eventually find them, yes. That one sold for $9. Hot Wheels Star Wars First Order Star Destroyer 5 Charlie 1 in the package.
Every time I think we don't have any more of that stuff, we sell another one.
Yeah.
5 Charlie 1.
4 Charlie 1.
Oh, 4 Charlie. Okay. Yep, here it is right here. I miss having all that Hot Wheels, don't you?
Yeah.
Man, that was a fun little
to
bike.
find us another big bike.
No kidding.
That one sold for $14.99. And then last eBay order, Paca. 5 Charlie C. I have the wrong. No, 5 Charlie D. I have the wrong. I forgot to change the title.
Okay, let's see. We'll compare it to the photo or whatever.
I already did. I took them out because I did a sale similar and forgot to change on the title, but I did change the location and I've already pulled them out and verified.
Okay, so this is good.
Yes.
Right.
$19.79 for those.
We've actually got one more eBay order.
Italiana.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go. We managed to run out of Italianas here
Yeah.
that we have on hand. So I'm gonna have to go grab I'm gonna get a stack of Italianas. Trying to make real sure I don't have one. I don't think we do. Have to go get a stack of Italianas when we've probably got 100 left.
Yeah,
at least.
something like that. Yep. Okay, and then on Macari, we sold a Lane Bryant bra. It's on 8 Delta.
Okay. Yep. Finally.
Yeah. We had 2. We had sold the other one, I think, on Poshmark, and then that one was left. Sold that for $15 plus ship.
Okay, let me get these orders packed, and then I think Candace is about to head out.
Yep.
I'm gonna get this packed, and I'm gonna go into storage and get I'll probably get at least 20 of those Italianas
Yeah,
just to
well,
so all right, let me get to it. Okay, went and got me a little stack of all Italianas. Had to crack open a fresh case of them. I don't even know how many of these things we have left. But yeah, we sold one of these for the price shown on the screen, and the rest of these are going to go on the shelf over there. Okay, I got all the packages out. I was actually doing some video work. And then one more order came in. Look, it's this right here. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, these are some vintage organic gardening magazine things. And I think we're into these for $1 a piece. Yeah, they're a bunch of, so they're kind of small like that. Maybe, you know what, maybe not, no, I remember now. We got all of these for, I think like $5. It was crazy. I think we've only sold 1 lot before this, so now we still have 3 lots left. We've sold 2 and we have 3 left. So this was a mega score, just taking a little time. We actually just sold this on Etsy though. The reason I'm pulling it now is the customer did ask if we could ship it as soon as possible. They have some date they would like to receive it by, which is actually like 9 days away or something. It's going ground advantage, so I have like a 99% certainty that it'll make their date. But I wanted to go ahead and get this out today. Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to, we're doing day 2 with Candace.
We are. I'm here.
Were you here in the last one?
I don't remember.
I don't know either.
Yeah, this whole week has been a blur.
Very good news, though. My mother has been discharged from the hospital yesterday. She's home. She's doing great. She is having some like a in-home rehab type therapy come in.
Yeah.
I don't think that's going to be for very long.
No, she's doing phenomenal. Like, all the nurses and doctors were pretty much speechless at how she rebounded so quickly.
I guess we can say what it was now. I feel, but I didn't feel comfortable saying what was wrong with her before, just because I didn't know what the results were going to be, and I didn't want to have video out there of me talking about it. But now I feel confident that she's fine. She had a UTI, which then manifested itself into...
She had sepsis.
Sepsis.
And if you're not familiar with sepsis, it's where the infection basically gets in your blood and is circulating through your body. And it's dangerous for anybody, but especially elderly people. It really affects them like it did her. And their whole body goes out of whack. Her body basically sent pretty much most of the blood to her torso area to keep her organs going. So that's why she was falling. I don't know if we had said that. She was falling, like her legs pretty much were not working like they should. and then just got really confused. So if you have elderly people in your lives, that is 2 signs of sepsis. After speaking to many people, they say, yeah, that's how you know. They're falling when they normally don't, and just really like, not just confused, but just, you'll know.
Like real wacky.
Yes.
Real wacky.
Yeah.
And yeah, I didn't know that much about it, but yeah, the first couple of days were the doctors would not be optimistic. They were very I would say pessimistic even. Like the first couple of days, it was very touch and go whether she would make it.
Yes.
So it was, things are great now. They weren't great at the beginning. So, yeah, I'm going to put that, look up sepsis if you're not familiar with it. A lot of y'all probably are. I had no idea that something like that could take you out like that.
Yeah, some serious stuff.
But yeah, she's doing great now. And, again, I thank y'all very much for all the well wishes. We are going to be having to help her out every now and then, but things are going to be getting back to normal here pretty soon.
At least these first few days, I'm kind of staying with her. We're not leaving her alone. Like, I even slept over there last night, and Molly's sitting with her right now while we do this. She's not alone. Nurse is coming out today in PT, so we'll kind of see where we go from there. But I have a feeling within a week she's going to be back to her old self. I mean, she's feeling great.
She's tough.
Yeah,
she's tough.
Yeah.
So we do have some orders to pull. We didn't have a ton of sales yesterday, but we had some pretty decent ones.
Yes.
And yeah, here in the next, we're gonna have to start getting back into listing hardcore.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. In fact, I'm probably gonna have Molly sit with her this afternoon so I can come list, and then Molly starts school tomorrow.
Yeah.
So our little helper's not gonna be here. Yeah. All right, you ready to get started?
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, everything's on eBay this morning. First thing is a Zebco fishing reel in the cube.
Let's see, I'm hoping this is it, maybe? A little green one?
Green XR11.
Let's see if I can see a model number on it.
I mean, that looks just like it.
Oh, that is XR11, yep.
$15.99 for that. 5 Delta Tupperware coffee and filter canisters.
Okay. Charlie Delta. Aha, these, which is actually what we use. We have something similar. Well, at least for the filters.
I use one for the filters. I didn't use the coffee one. The coffee we buy comes in a canister. $29.99 for those.
Guess I'm getting a hat. Guess we did, huh?
Yeah, New Orleans Saints. It's black with like a white patch on the front.
Okay.
It says New Orleans football.
Ah, it's right here. Yep.
That's it. $13.99 for that.
Okay, put this up.
Pet Safe Electronic Smart Pet Door. 1 Bravo.
We paid $5 for this, didn't we? I think it was.
I don't remember, man. We've had that a while.
It's been a few months. It was this garage sale season that we got it, though. I knew that.
$49.99 for that.
Okay. This is a pretty sturdy box. I'll probably just do a cardboard wrap to pack that.
Yeah. 6 Bravo. We sold a mango. Fist of the North Star, Volume 7.
On 6 Bravo?
Yes.
Okay. Very few of our mango is on this shelf, but here it is. Come on, get out of there. Okay, here we go. Got it.
$13.99 for that. 1 Foxtrot pair of Bourne red leather sandals.
Okay, right here. You got these at that thrift store the day we brought Pippin to the doctor, huh? Okay.
I think I paid $5 for them.
You did. You paid $5. I remember.
I sold them for $39.99. That's a good little brand to keep an eye out for.
Oh yeah.
And I'm telling you, they are so comfortable. I have a couple of pair of Bourne sandals. They're so good. And then last thing is 3 Charlie Lagway wine and cheese knife set in the box.
3 Charlie?
3
oh.
Charlie.
Must be this right here. And you'll see I restocked the all Italianas.
You're not saying it right.
I never say it right. You say it. You won't say it right.
Italiana.
There you go.
Okay, so the Lagolade knife set sold for $69.99.
Okay. Oh wow, that's a good one too.
Yeah.
All right, let me get this stuff packed up. Okay, got all the orders packed, ready to roll. Candace is with my mother. I am going to get these. I have 3 jackets right here that I think I'm going to go ahead and get those up now. And probably these 2 bags here. And then I try and leave a lot of the toy stuff for Candace because I know she likes working with that stuff. So I'm trying to do everything but that. We are slowly getting back up to full speed. I think by start of next week, we're going to be back up and running full steam ahead, just like we have been in the past. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for watching. We will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.